वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको इजली सिखाता हूँ कि किस तरह हम एक विनिंग ड्रॉप शिपिंग प्रोडक्ट फाइंड कर सकते हैं और अपने स्टोर पर सेल करते हैं। अगर आप एज ए प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं पाईवर पे अपवर्क पे, तो ये तरीका आपके लिए बहुत अहम है और बहुत इजी है। आप इजली अपने क्लाइंट के लिए अपने स्टोर के लिए प्रोडक्ट फाइंड कर सकते हैं। देखिए मेंबर, हमारे साथ ये प्रोडक्ट है। ये एक नीश प्रोडक्ट है। इससे मैं एक विनिंग प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करता हूँ और अपने स्टोर पे सेल करता हूँ। इस प्रोडक्ट का मार्केट में हम एनालाइज करते हैं कि इस प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस मार्केट में क्या है और प्राइस में वॉलमार्ट में इस प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस क्या है, अमेजोन में, and many more e-commerce platform. Now I am here apply some filter about the product. Then I'm find a winning product from this. Now I'm going to select Shopify. I said this. Hey, show me the product that sell only in Shopify dropshipping store. So these are the product that sell in only Shopify dropshipping store. And this one product is a 12.5K is a like, and 1 million wow is 172 is a mm, comments. Now I'm going to select this one product directly. I'm click this here, and I'm show to you how this product is. And this one, I click this one, and wow, it's amazing store. This is a Shopify dropshipping store. Here's this sell as a 142 product in this store. So this mean this product product directly from AliExpress and sell here in a Shopify dropshipping store. Wow, this seller sell only as a feeds related product. So this mean this is a niche store. If you sell any same product like niche, feeds and home decoration and more, you 100% chance you will rank your store, your Shopify dropshipping store, and organically, because you see this store is a sell every product sell very well as 6, 9, 12, 12, 10 review. So this means this is a niche store. Now I'm going to select this one product. This is only higher review. This one, yeah. This is a 205 review, 205 review as now I'm showing to you the proper product. Now I'm going to the search review. Yeah, these are the review the customer provide about this product. So this one is a size me for my deck search, but he is right the terminal. So every customer satisfied from this product. Now I'm going to select this one product, and wow, this product is secure. Anyone know anyone select this product and search in Google. So this means this procedure is protect this Shopify drop shipping store. So no one anyone select this product and no take the picture from this product. Now I'm going to show you another store. Then we can this one. Wow, this one. Yeah. Here you provide is a link tree. Link is only provide here is this for only one link. We click here if this seller is still in a Shopify shipping store is still in an Amazon. We are going to select this one product directly in here store. Now I select this one and Shopify shipping store. Wow, this is also magic. This is really niche. This is also sell in Shopify. This is 683. The sell the 683 product in here. Superstone. This is a niche store. Wow. This is only sell and baby related magic baby. So now I'm going to the first product. How much product they sell in the product and newly added. Yeah, these are the product and they are sell in the store. Now newly added product so these are the newly added product in this cell. Now I'm going to select this one because this is a look like as a niche. Wow. Now I'm select this one and search this product in many marketplace where the sell in Amazon, Walmart, Target, anyone e-commerce. Yeah, this product is selling in AliExpress, Shein, and many more drop shipping store. So this means this product sell and Amazon.com. I'm going to show you though. Amazon.com and this product price. This product sell and Amazon.com here is a $10, and this product sell this sell it here is a only $22,000. Wow, this is a niche store. And if I'm select this one product here in AliExpress, how much the price of this product in AliExpress Shein? Yeah, this now we don't need to select Shein. Now to select AliExpress and visit, and wow, this product is off. So continue to site. So this product selling is, yeah, this product sell in AliExpress is $0.99, and this product in here in Amazon is well, much price is a $10. So now 0.99, 0.99 minus 10. How much? The price is a 9.01. So 9.01 is a 9.9 minus 5 is a, for example, 5 Tribe is a ad spend, pay per click interest. So $4 profit from here is a one product. This means this product is a very well. And now to show you this product is the yeah, the same and all only same price 10.99, 10.99, and sale on all month 110.99. So launch your whole dropshipping product and make unique your Shopify dropshipping store is still very well. Thanks for watching this amazing tutorial. See you next time.